Hello everyone, we'll be learning how to make these decorative cubes. In order to do so, start off by taking out some tape, cut a small piece of it and then wrap it around another piece of tape. Cut out the excess. Do this 4 times and then cut off the edge of it. Now, fold it into half, fold the two together. Take another strip of tape and then pull out another strand of tape, wrap around one of them around the other. Now cut it off, do this 2 times and then bend it along the other side. You should be starting to form a cube-like shape. Leave one of the ends untaped as such. Then take some salt and then add some colored pencil shavings into it. Now put them all together into your cube and then tape it shut as such. This is what it should look like. So, in order to make this, start off by taking a mask. Take out the metallic portion of the mask and then fold it up in a circular shape. Take some ribbon and then wrap it around the circular shape that you have created. At the top, bend it slightly and then make these wavy shapes all around it. This should end up in a star-like shape as such. Then, attach a thread to it on one of the ends and then add some decorations to it such as a pearl or a little fake diamond. To the thread, add some more thread and then cut it up in shape to make it look like feathers. Next, we'll be making this loom band. For this, start off by crisscrossing the rubber bands and then add it across 2 pens as such. Take the lowermost rubber band after you are done with 3 and then bring it at the top. Now keep adding rubber bands and then keep bringing the bottommost rubber band to the top as such. Once you are done, you may tie a knot with it as such. Join both of the ends together. Now, in order to make this fan, we'll start off by taking a square sheet of paper. Now, fold it up multiple times in a fan-like shape. Cut it up into half, join both of the sides together. Add tape on one of the ends, add thread through it after adding the tape. Then, do the same on the other side. Join it together, wrap a paper around the base of it. Now, wrap another paper around the other side of the base of it, add tape to it. Move it up and down accordingly. Add tape to the middle and then fix your thread to it as such. Wrap another paper around it. Now, pull it up and down as such and then add a bow for decorative purposes. In order to make these candies, we will start off by taking a mask. Cut off the side of it and then take the multiple layers of it. Add tape on one of the ends and then fold it over. To the middle of it, add some cotton to it. Tie it up on either side as such. Add some eyes and a cute little mouth to it. In order to make this heart, we will start off by taking some paper. Cut up the paper into multiple parts and then fold it up into half. Fold over both the edges downwards as such, then fold over the corners. Fold it downwards, that is the top section of it, and then fold it into half to make this triangular-like shape. Insert one into the other as such, and then make 2 of these pieces until you form a heart. At the base of it, add a cylindrical shape. Next, we'll be learning how to make this cube. So for this, start off by taking a square sheet of paper, fold over both of the sides until they meet in the center. Now open up the sheet, fold over the alternate edges as such. Bring it under the paper. Now fold downwards the top half. Insert one into the other as such. Once you fold it up, it should give you an almost triangular-like shape. Make multiple of these, 4 to be precise, and then attach all of them together. Make a top half and a bottom half, and this is what it should look like. Thank you for watching.